Welcome to my channel. Why India is the top choice for scientific glassware OEM production. Step 1. Skilled manufacturing workforce. India has a large number of experienced glassblowers, technicians, and engineers who specialize in scientific glassware production. Step 2. High-quality raw materials. Manufacturers use quality borosilicate glass and other durable materials that meet international laboratory standards. Step 3. Cost-effective production. Scientific glassware can be produced at competitive prices, helping global brands reduce manufacturing costs without compromising quality. Step 4. Strong OEM experience. Many Indian manufacturers have years of experience producing OEM products for international laboratory, pharmaceutical, and research companies. Step 5. Custom design capabilities. Indian factories can create customized laboratory glassware based on client specifications, drawings, and branding requirements. Step 6. International quality standards. Most leading manufacturers follow strict quality control processes and comply with global industry standards for accuracy and reliability. Step 7. Advanced manufacturing facilities. Modern production units use advanced equipment for glass shaping, testing, calibration, and packaging. Step 8. Large production capacity. Indian manufacturers can handle both small custom orders and large volume production projects efficiently. Step 9. Reliable global export network. India exports scientific glassware to many countries, supported by established logistics and international shipping services. Step 10. Trusted by global buyers. Because of their quality, affordability, and consistent delivery performance, Indian scientific glassware manufacturers have become trusted OEM partners worldwide. Contact us for product inquiries, bulk orders, and reliable support. Thanks for watching.